and welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Scandal from the 24th to the 28th of November 2025 on Monday. Tlhogi can't shake her unease about two new arrivals. Trapped by an invitation, Dintle has no option but to comply. What was meant to help goes awry when Kidimone and Talita hijack the meeting on Tuesday. It seems as if a mystery is brewing at Tlhogi's new business. A dinner does not go well when an unspoken woman does not hold her tongue. A mother breezes into her son's life after 20 years absence on Wednesday. Tlhogi takes advantage of an absence but is nevertheless caught in the act. Dintle battles with the choices and vow to make changes. A son hunts for answers, but his mother is always one step ahead on Thursday. Tlhogi finally works out who the mystery woman is, but it only fuels her suspicions. What seems possible now falls far away. It also sees Dintle's dream sleeping further on Friday. Tlhogi's deception stand between Cohen and Mingi as he tried to find him. A secret is nearly revealed when Tutugo arrives home unexpectedly. A clandestine rendezvous at the Matubela house set the stage for shocking surprise. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.